Exercise 9.3, question number 1. Carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. Now, we are going to multiply the monomial term with the binomial term. See, this contains two terms, term 1, term 2. It's a binomial term and this is a monomial term. Let us multiply the monomial with the binomial. So I have inserted multiplication symbol as the question is multiplication. Now the monomial is going to multiply with each and every term of the binomial. So 4p multiply by q. Again with 4p, see there is a plus, no, plus 4p multiply by r. Now let us multiply 4p into q is 4pq plus 4p into r is 4pr. Second question is ab comma a minus b. The first term is monomial, second term is binomial. In between the terms we have to insert a multiplication symbol. Let us multiply the monomial with the first term of the binomial. So ab multiply by a, then there is a minus. So minus again ab into b. Now ab into a. See there is 2 times a. A into a is a square and write the b as a single term minus ab into b. Here there is a 2 times b. B into b is a b square. So write the a into b is b square. A plus b comma 7a square b square. A plus b is the monomial. With the monomial we are going to multiply first term of the binomial. So 7a square b square multiply by a plus 7a square b square multiply by b. Now 7 a square into a, both are common terms. A square into a is a power 3 and b square plus 7 a square b square into b will be b cube. Fourth question, a square minus 9 into 4a. 4a into a square minus 4a into 9. Here 4 a into a square will be a power 3 minus 4 9s are 36 a. Question number 5, pq plus qr plus rp multiply by 0. We know that any number multiplied by 0 will become a 0. So the answer will be 0. Question number 2, complete the table. Here they have given first expression and second expression. We have to multiply these two expression, then we have to find the product. First expression is a, second expression is b plus c plus d. In between the two expressions we have to insert multiplication symbol. Let us take a into b is ab, a into c is ac plus ac plus a into d is ad. Second question is x plus y minus 5 is a trinomial. With that we are going to multiply monomial, that is 5xy. With the 5xy into x plus again 5xy into y minus 5xy into 5. Let us multiply this. 5 x into x is x square y plus 5 x y into y is y square minus 5 5s are 25 xy. Third question, p into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. p into 6p square minus p into 7p plus p into 5. Let us simplify. 6 p into p square will be p power 3 minus 7 p into p is p square plus p into 5 is p5. Question number 4. 4p square q square multiply by p square minus q square. First let us multiply the monomial and first term of binomial. 4p square q square multiply by p square minus again 4p square q square with q square multiply by q square. 4 p square p square. So p square into p square is p power 4. Write the q square as it is minus 4 p square. See q square will be q power 4. Let us multiply ABC with A. ABC multiply by A plus ABC multiply by B plus ABC multiply by C. Now A into A is A square. Write the BC as it is plus A. B into B is B square. Write the C as it is plus A. B. C into C is C square. So after that we can fill the answers in the empty boxes. Exercise 9.3 question number 1. Find the product of the following. Here they have given a square multiply by 2 a power 22 multiply by 4 a power 26. As I said, first we have to take the numbers alone. Here the coefficient of a square, there is no number, no, so coefficient of a square is 1. 1 multiply by 2 multiply by 4. In the next bracket we can write the variables. A power 2 multiply by a power 22 multiply by a power 26. Let us multiply the number. 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. Next a power 2, a power 22 plus a power 26. It means we have to add all the power. A power 2 plus 22 plus 26. So we will get answer is 8 into a power 50. Question number 2. First let us take the numbers alone. 2 by 3 multiply by minus 9 by 10. In next bracket take the variables x y multiply by x square y square. Now let us simplify this. 2 9s are 18 minus 18 divided by 3 10s are 30. In another bracket x into x power 2 will be x power 3. Y into y power 2 is y power 3. So we can simplify this by cancelling. We get 6 table 3 times, 5 times. So minus 3 by 5 x power 3 y power 3. Question number 3. As I said in the previous question, take the numbers separately. Minus 10 by 3 multiply by 6 by 5. In another bracket, take the variables p q power 3 multiply by p power 3 q. So if there is any possibilities, we can cancel here. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. There is a minus into pluses, minus 4. In another bracket, p power 4. So p means it is p power 1 and p power 4. If you multiply, you will get p power 4. P power 1 into p power 3 is p power 4. Next, q power 3, then q power 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So q power 4. Fourth question, x into x power 2 into x power 3 into x power 4. So here all the base are same, powers only different. So we can add the power. Here the power of x is 1. So we can add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So answer will be x power 10.